Good morning, students. Chapter 5 legislature is going on. In last video we have discussed about the special powers of Lok Sabha and powers of Rajya Sabha and how Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha in money matters. Today we will discuss about the special powers of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is an institutional mechanism to provide representation to the states. Mainly Rajya Sabha look after the matters of states. Its purpose is to protect the powers of the state. Rajya Sabha always try to protect the powers of states. Therefore, any matter that affect the states, any matter that affect the interest of the states must be referred to it for its consent and approval. Or we can say that any matter related to the states cannot be rejected or approved without the consent of Rajya Sabha. For such matters, the consent of Rajya Sabha is also necessary. If the Union Parliament wishes to remove a matter from the state list, there are three lists regarding all the subjects in our country: Union list, state list and concurrent list. The list which is mentioned in the state list, only state government, only state legislature or Vidhan Sabha can make law regarding these subjects. But if Union Parliament wishes to remove a subject which is already mentioned in the state list to either the Union list or concurrent list, यदि पार्लियामेंट किसी स्टेट लिस्ट के सब्जेक्ट को यूनियन लिस्ट या कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट में ट्रांसफर करना चाहती है, इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ नेशन, just for the welfare of the nation, the approval of the Rajya Sabha is necessary. For such thing, we need the approval of Rajya Sabha. This provision adds to the strength of the Rajya Sabha. This is the special power of Rajya Sabha. However, experience shows that the members of the Rajya Sabha represent their parties more than they represent their states. But nowadays it is seen that mostly members of Rajya Sabha do not think about the interest of states. They only think about their parties. Now we will discuss about the bill. What is a bill? A bill is a draft of the proposed or a law. Before making a law, when we propose a draft, such drafts are known as bill. When bill pass from both houses of parliament and get the approval from president, then bill become a law. But the types of bills, there can be different types of bills. One, government bill. Second, private members bill. Money bill and non-money bill. The bills which are related to the finance known as money bill. The other bills, ordinary bills, are known as non-money bills. So these bills are also known as included in the ordinary bills. If any bill is proposed regarding to change any law, existing law in the constitution, such bill are known as constitutional amendment bills. So mainly there are two types of bills: government bill and private bills. On the basis of finance, money bill and non-money bills. And non-money bills are two types: ordinary bills and constitution amendment bills. Now we will define government bill and private members bills. First of all, private members bill. When a non-minister government, in government the there are three types of ministers: cabinet ministers, state ministers, and state minister with independent charge. Other than these ministers, when a non-minister propose a bill to make a law, such types of bills are called private members bill. The members of opposition parties in the parliament also propose such a bill. Next is government bill. A bill proposed by a minister, either cabinet minister, state ministers, or state minister with independent charge, any union minister, when propose a bill, such types of bills is described as the government bill. Now we discuss about Article 109. This article is related to the bill and the powers of Rajya Sabha. This article states that special procedures in respect of money bill. This article deals with the special provisions regarding the money bill. The first part of money bill. A money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of Ministers. A money bill cannot be initiated in the Rajya Sabha or the upper chamber. Only Lok Sabha can initiate such bills. If Lok Sabha pass a money bill, then money bill go to the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha only can delay it for 14 days. Rajya Sabha cannot reject such bills. So the Article 109 deal with this matter. Now we will recapitalize that what we studied today. First of all, we discuss about the special powers of Rajya Sabha. Second, about types of money bill. So today we discuss about the special powers of Rajya Sabha and about the types of bills. So there are four types of bills: government bill, private members bill, money bill, and non-money bill. That's all for today, students.